Good evening. Today in this presentation we will show you the statistical data we obtained for surveys about the general areas of the student's life.
All right, so now we're going to comment some of the questions that we made to our teammates or scholarships in our classroom. The first one was, which is the most difficult class? Which is the easiest class? Do you dedicate time to study for certain course outside of classes every week? Do you have a special strategy to get ready for an exam? How many hours do you study before an exam? And finally, do you seek special help for very complex subjects? These are the questions that we put a survey on our classmates that day. So let's get started with some of them. With all of them indeed. All right. So this is the results of all of our answers for the first survey. Which is your most difficult class? With digital control or control digital with the most score on this survey. Later of that continues TPE, that is the subject. After that, we follow with German and effective presentations. And and after that, we have the same quantity of the showed classes that we have here. So let's continue. Which is the easiest class? With robotic again, well, robotic being the most strong in this kind of one. Following with the TPE, math, TD, and the rest of all, like transport gesture, finances, and wellness projects. So let's continue. Do you dedicate time to study for certain courses outside classes every week? With the most answered was no, with a total like 18 answers indeed. And the answer with yes, only 11. Let's continue.
Okay, now for the next question about how many hours do you study before an exam? We learn that many students dedicate, 2 hours. Uh, Other 6 students dedicate 1 hour. Then it's followed by 5 students that only dedicate it's 10 minutes, and 9 minutes and 4 hours. They share the same quantity, while one people responded no. Maybe they dedicate 30 minutes or including 6 hours. 6 hours was me, by the way. For the other question is, do you have a special strategy to get ready for your exams? 28 people answered this survey, but 40 of them answered yes and no, respectively. So maybe there is a balance before they have a strategy, maybe? Yes. Well, for the final question is, do you seek special help for very complex subjects? The majority of people, like 23 of them, answered no, while 6 of them answered yes, but there is no intermediary for maybe. Now, for this conclusion, if we speak general for the whole class, we can conclude for these graphics that most people that share the same career have the most answers in both questions of the most difficult versus easiest subject. Like we see that robotics and control digital and many people from the mechatronics career answered both questions. While in the others, we can see that most people doesn't have some time dedicated to the studies outside the schools, while we can see some similarities and many answers. So that was our homework for today, and thank you for your attention. Goodbye.